Welcome back, friends. I'm Cassandra, and if you're new here, my one and only hobby is figuring out ways that I can make money online and then coming right back here to teach it to you. From mastering Amazon FBA to exploring new platforms. Any and all opportunities that can keep our income growing as passively as possible. Today, we're diving into a really exciting topic, and this is one that really doesn't get a lot of attention yet. But it has huge potential, and that is selling on the Walmart marketplace. It's very similar to selling on Amazon in a lot of ways, but brings its own unique opportunities. But just like when I first started selling on Amazon FBA, I noticed there really is not good quality content or much content at all on the concept of selling on the Walmart marketplace. And that's why I'm making this video, so right now you can get ahead of the game before Walmart becomes just as popular to sell on as Amazon. And then we start to see the same challenges and hurdles, the same ones that us Amazon sellers that are seasoned and been there a while, we're currently seeing. And it's making things a lot more difficult each and every day to sell on the Amazon platform. And that's why this video is so important, so that if you are just starting, great. After you watch this whole video, you'll be able to start selling on Walmart. If you're already in e-commerce, this is going to give you another pathway so that you're not putting everything that you have, all of your inventory, into Amazon if something were to go wrong, God forbid, and your account gets shut down. I guarantee you are going to want to stay around for this entire video because I am breaking it all down. How you get started selling on Walmart, where you sign up, the pros, the cons, and how to even get inventory and upload it into Walmart. If you're looking to expand your business or diversify beyond Amazon, this could be the perfect step for you. And we're diving into all of this right now. No time wasting and no gatekeeping. If you're ready to start selling on the Walmart marketplace today, then sit back and relax. And if you're in the market and looking for even more tips and tricks, all the strategies and money-making pathway opportunities, then hit that subscribe button right now so that you can come back after this video and to watch all my other videos that are going to allow you to make even more money every single day. Some of these strategies that I teach will even pay you when you're sleeping, I swear. So subscribe right now and make sure to come back each and every single week right here with me. Now that you're subscribed, let's start right from the beginning. What exactly is selling on Walmart? Well, just like Amazon FBA, when people go to Amazon.com to purchase items, they are buying, yes, from Amazon on some of the listings, but over half of the products that you see for sale on Amazon are for sale by third-party sellers, people just like me and you. We can list and sell our products directly on the Walmart website. And Walmart has become one of the biggest competitors to Amazon in the retail space online. Walmart is growing very quickly at this, and they're making big moves to try to catch up to Amazon, and they're doing a really good job so far. Since Walmart is still expanding its seller network, this is the prime time to jump in right now before it becomes as saturated as Amazon. Don't get me wrong, you can still make a lot of money on Amazon, but why not also come over to another marketplace, and now we have two where we're making money different ways. Because those customers that aren't coming to Amazon, they're probably going to Walmart instead. So have your products on both. And the process to sell on the Walmart marketplace, surprisingly, it is really similar to Amazon FBA, with a few key differences that I'm going to walk you through right now. Step one, pretty obvious. First, you need to create a Walmart Marketplace account. For this, you're going to head over to the Walmart Marketplace website and click Request to Sell. Walmart is going to ask for some basic business information, your legal business name, tax information, and details about the types of products you're going to be selling. Step two, complete the application process. Walmart's going to review your application, and they're pretty selective about approving sellers. Remember, they're trying to compete with Amazon, the super giant that already has such good customer satisfaction. So Walmart obviously wants reliable sellers and quality products. They're going to want to see an established business. So go ahead right now and set up an LLC. Don't get nervous here. It's much easier than it sounds, and there are so many websites where there are services and people who can literally just do it for you. You can just pay them, say, hey, I want to set up my LLC. They'll ask you some questions and then they're going to do it for you. For example, Fiverr is a great website. This is where I go to find professionals, vet through them, make sure I'm finding somebody that does really good quality work, and then I hire them to do things like this for me that I have no business doing myself. So hire someone right now to set up your LLC in the state that you live in. See, Walmart is not going to let you sign up with just a social security number. You're going to need that EIN, which is the employee identification number that you'll get with your LLC. All it means is you are a limited liability company, and there are some protections that come with that, and really it's going to set you up for making sure that you are doing your taxes and filing everything correctly. But that's why this model is so perfect if you're already selling on Amazon FBA and your brand registered, because you already have your LLC. And Walmart wants to see that you already exist as a business and that you're already selling these products. So all you have to do is send them right to your Amazon Marketplace webpage. Bring them right to your brand's storefront, and this will satisfy that qualification for them. They'll say, yep, you're a business, here it is, you're selling right here, you're established, you're in. On to step 3 is your account setup. Once you're approved, you'll set up your Seller Central dashboard, which is very similar to the Seller Central on Amazon. This is where you can list those products, manage everything, handle your inventory, handle your orders, and track your sales and revenue. The next step is to decide your fulfillment method. Now, similar to Amazon, you have 2 different methods to fulfilling customers' orders. Method 1 is self-fulfilling. You're handling the packaging, you're handling the shipping. Option 2, WFS. Walmart Fulfillment Services. Very similar to Amazon FBA. You send your inventory to the Walmart warehouses. They handle the storage. They handle the picking, the prepping, the packing, the shipping, the customer service. This is a great option if you want to be more hands-off with all of those logistics. And it's going to save you a lot of time. And finally, number 5, list, launch, optimize. You listed your products, you sent them in. Now it's time to look at that listing and make sure that the keywords are there, clear images, accurate description, all of those things that should sound very familiar if you're already selling on Amazon. Just as important here. Doing these things right is what's going to help to get your products ranked and seen and noticed and sold. All right, now let's talk about some of the pros and the cons. Inevitably, there are always pros, there are always cons, really to everything in life. Let's start with the pros. Less competition. Walmart Marketplace has way few sellers right now than Amazon, which means less competition. This is a great opportunity to stand out in ways that we're not able to do right now on Amazon, being so crowded with sellers. There's also access to millions of Walmart customers. Walmart's audience is enormous. When you're selling on Walmart, you are reaching their loyal customer base, many of whom might not be shopping on Amazon. So those ones that you're missing on Amazon, you're catching over here. The next pro is definitely those Walmart fulfillment services. Just like Amazon's fulfillment services, the products that are WFS are going to be eligible for 2-day shipping, which is definitely a huge advantage. Customers want their product sooner rather than later. They're more likely to purchase a product, even if it's a little more in price, if they're going to get it in their hands days sooner than another listing that might be cheaper, but they're waiting longer. People are impatient. They don't want to wait. And the next pro is Walmart's credibility. Shoppers already trust Walmart, similar to like they already trust Amazon. And that's definitely going to help increase those sales conversions. They know that Walmart already prioritizes product quality and seller reliability. So they're more likely to buy from you if you're on the Walmart Marketplace. And as you keep hearing me say, it's virtually the same as selling on Amazon. So if you already have your feet wet on that marketplace, then Walmart Marketplace is going to feel like your second home. And because it's so similar, finding products is also going to be similar. The same way that you're finding those products to sell on Amazon, the same way you can find the same ones to sell instead of Amazon on Walmart, which is another reason why if you're not, you need to subscribe to my channel right now, because I have so many videos of this exact style where I show people different strategies to do online and in store to find products that you can actually resell for a profit on Amazon and Walmart. And it does take skill and strategy. So those are videos that you definitely need to see if you're serious about doing this. But let me give you the really fast version here, as long as you promise to go and check out the longer version, which you're going to need later. Step one, you find products to sell that are already on the shelves. This is called arbitrage. You can do online arbitrage where you are finding products via your laptop. You're sitting at home, you're browsing the internet. Online arbitrage is definitely my favorite way to find products, especially because you're going to need to find the cheapest price possible. And it is so easy to get different extensions like Rakuten and Honey, where I can see everything being offered for discounts that day. These do change on a daily basis. So obviously I want to focus my efforts of searching for products where I know that day they're the cheapest, best cash back, best coupons. But retail arbitrage going into the stores also has its own special benefits because there are a lot of different hidden clearances and just end racks that are full of things on sale and clearance that you don't have access to online. So if you enjoy shopping, if you have access to a lot of stores in your area, all you really need to do is go into those stores, use an app like ProfitGuru to scan the products, scan them with your Amazon app, and then just see if they're going for a high enough price on Amazon where you can sell it and make a profit. Now, to add these products into your Walmart storefront, from the storefront, click Catalog and then Add Items. Search the catalog by UPC or title, and it's actually pretty easy to list the product for seller fulfillment. Next, all you need to do is adjust here how much inventory you have on hand. Change that from 0 to reflect your stock available. Now it's in my catalog and it's listed as seller fulfilling it. But to switch this over, all we need to do, click Actions and then Fulfill with WFS. Then all you have to do is click the shipments under the WFS and click Send Inventory. It's relatively a step-by-step walkthrough at this point, but if you are interested and would like to see me prep products right alongside with you, load them in as I'm loading them into the box, all of that fun stuff, I would be more than happy to make that video for you if it's something you want to see. So let me know down below. Let's shift over to the cons. Pretty obvious con is that they do have a selective application process. So not having that LLC, not having products that you're already selling, right now you're at a roadblock. You don't have to stay at it for long. Now you know, set up that LLC, go to Fiverr, hire somebody, very fast to do. And the Walmart Marketplace also has fewer tools for sellers. They're still building those tools, so it's not anywhere near as comprehensive as Amazon FBA. There are way fewer analytics, and the Seller Central can feel a little limited compared to Amazon's. But even though we don't have great tools and software that can give us access to how products are selling on Walmart, we can use what we know works on Amazon. We have the ProfitGuru Chrome extension, and we can see the sales on Amazon. So the general rule of thumb is if it's performing really well on Amazon, chances are it's going to pass our test for a trial run at least, and will probably sell well on Walmart too. Popular product on Amazon, then it's probably going to be some level of popularity on Walmart as well. Also, you can look at the listings at walmart.com. Check out the number of reviews. This can be a really good indicator to tell you how in demand that product is. And you can also filter it here to see the most recent. By looking at the most recent reviews, this is going to give you a general idea of sales velocity and how fast this product is selling. Because reviews tend to be less frequent on Walmart than they even are on Amazon. So really on average, for every maybe 20 sales of this product listing on Walmart, we might get 1 review. So in 1 month, if we see 3 reviews for that 1 month, we know that at least several dozen of that product has sold in order to achieve those 3 reviews as the general rule of thumb. So if a product does not have any reviews for several months, clearly that's telling you it's probably not performing well, but keep in mind there are other factors such as the category, the price, and the customer experience with that seller. But you should know the last con is selling on the Walmart Marketplace involves paying a lot of fees, just like the Amazon Marketplace. However, the fees are a little less. So how Amazon is doing things, it's clearly working, and Walmart here is basically just taking it. Overall, there is great growth potential here. Walmart is still ramping up its marketplace online, meaning there's going to be really good growth potential for us early adopters. You're having the chance right now to get established before the competition is no longer manageable. And clearly, it's a great idea to want to diversify your income streams. A good businessman is always thinking about what can go wrong, what can happen in my business, and when that happens, if that happens, how can I correct it? Well, there's a really good likelihood that Amazon could one day suspend your account. And when that happens, good luck. It's probably not getting opened again. If all of your eggs are in that basket, not too good for your business. So by being proactive and thinking about maybe that could happen, let's get this Walmart set up and at least start selling on a little bit so that we can get familiar and have an established spot, especially now while there's not too much competition. So overall, selling on Walmart is a very unique opportunity that you have right now at this very minute. If you're still with me, make sure to subscribe. All of my videos are just as valuable and you're going to learn how to make money. If there's anything that's still unclear right now after watching this video, make sure you leave it down below because I will answer you back. Thank you so much for being here and hanging out. That's it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.